Hey Linda, I thought I would make you a quick video showing you how to use these wonderful emojis. I am just going to use the module that you sent me. This is the one in my class. You can see it is needing a little bit of visual love. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit, and you may know how to do this. If you do, you can ignore this video. I'm just going to edit the module. What it pops up here, it's super simple. I like to do it on both sides, just like Allie did with the chili pepper. Then I'm going to go on another tab to the link that I sent you. It's emojipedia.org. In the search box, let me move it so you can see it. I typed in book for library. And look at all this variety of books that we have. There's one on here that I like that's farther down. I'm just going to keep going. It's this kind of old school one. I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it says copy and paste this emoji, and I just click copy. I go back to my course module, and then I just paste it. And so for me, that's Control V. To kind of spice it up a little bit, I'll probably go back to my books, and I'll look back at the orange one maybe, since it's super VC. And then I'll just copy the book, the orange one. Maybe it'll look like a book, who knows. And so I've got my double emojis, and then I'm going to update my module. And that is what it looks like. Super easy peasy. I hope this helps.